his head has been with the white, just like Okomfo stated. Now, Okomfo has moved with Osei Tutu. Now, if you go to Ukugwa in the eastern region, they're also saying that's where Okomfo is from. Now, yes. I've come here, I was also hearing Okomfo, like, who is this Okomfo?
Yes. Okomfo actually, he's from Ukugwa. That is his hometown. So when he was born, he had this magical power, like a priest. He was a priest. But before he became a priest, you know, Denkyira power and might exerted so far. So there are a lot of priests in Denkyira. So they had to bring Okomfo under tutelage. That we call it Nkomu at Denkyira. Another Denkyira chief priest who was called Okomfo Chenichi. You understand? So when Okomfo came here, like I told you that the customs, the Bankamdra, that's the black stool of Denkyira and its guardian angels. They said that before anybody, we should use the customs of that stool and give it to our people, our citizens. So Nana Bwamposi made a decree that before anybody will become a chief or a king in his kingdom, that person must be brought to Abankesiya to be taught in the doctrines and customs of the Denkyira kingdom.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So the people at Kwamai, Obriabwa, sent one of his nephews to come to Abankesiya.
Who is Osei Tutu?
Osei Tutu.
Okay.
So when Okomfo came to Denkyira, he and Osei Tutu became good friends.
Okay.
Actually, Osei Tutu was assisting him in the collection of help.
Okay.
You understand? But you know the black stool of Denkyira is not a solid stool. It's made of bees.
Okay.
You understand?